Best Luxury Midsize Car for 2025 to 2024 Lexus ES Hybrid. The 2024 Lexus ES Hybrid has been named the best luxury midsize car for 2025, highlighting its exceptional combination of eco-friendly performance, refined luxury, and advanced technology. As part of Lexus's commitment to sustainability without compromising luxury, the ES Hybrid continues to set benchmarks in the midsize luxury sedan category. Elegant design and luxurious interior. The 2024 ES Hybrid exudes sophistication with its distinctive design. The car features Lexus's signature spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and an aerodynamic profile that enhances both style and efficiency. Inside, the ES Hybrid offers a premium experience with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is designed for maximum comfort and convenience, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 10.2-inch heads-up display, and available ambient lighting. These elements create a luxurious and immersive driving environment. Efficient performance and smooth ride. Under the hood, the 2024 ES Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor to produce a total of 215 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, that ensures a smooth and seamless driving experience. The hybrid system not only delivers impressive fuel efficiency but also provides a responsive and enjoyable ride. The ES Hybrid is designed to offer a balance of performance and eco-friendliness, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a greener alternative without sacrificing luxury. Advanced technology and safety features. Lexus prioritizes technology and safety in the 2024 ES Hybrid. The vehicle comes standard with the Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5, which includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the ES Hybrid offers advanced tech options like a premium Mark Levinson audio system and a comprehensive navigation system, enhancing both convenience and safety. Conclusion. The 2024 Lexus ES Hybrid stands out as the best luxury midsize car for 2025 due to its elegant design, efficient performance, and advanced technology. Its blend of luxury and sustainability makes it a premier choice for drivers who seek both style and eco-consciousness in a midsize sedan.